I'm talking about caring for the carers, and we all know how important it is for us to self-care, because it's easy enough to be sucked into the devastation when patients come in front of you and get probably not be able to think balanced and to feel this extra empathy for your patients, because you can feel their pain and know that since they are out of control, it's really, really important that you stay grounded. And sometimes that feels difficult. And so the counseling is important, and the course that we do is important as well, because it stipulates that we go for personal counseling when we do the course. And that is where I learned how to self-control and to look after yourself, because unless you follow the boundaries that are set out, it's extremely difficult to be able to sit there and listen to the devastation of your patients. The meetings are extremely important because you hear different views from different counselors, from the carers, that's the nurses, the doctors, social workers, and the input from all of them is extremely important. It adds to your experience, and all of us can't have all the experiences that everybody else has experienced. So listening to individual cases really helps us, and the information that we get helps us to treat our patients.